We're starting off with another letter. This is another new one. And it's from our favorite prince. Dear Jay, I've written you a letter. Are you happy? Surely. Consider it a priceless gift. Don't you dare re-gift it. From Jace. Hey, game tickets.
Yay, games!
We're starting to
Gambling.
run out of those, actually.
So what have I missed?
A lot.
A lot.
So it's hard to explain. Everyone's gone. Were you there for that? I don't remember.
What?
No, you weren't.
Everyone disappeared.
Everyone's gone, but now there are new people.
Meow!
You're the pop star.
Oh, lovely. What? They can do that?
Yeah.
My turn. I love you all. That was not the line. Fine.
And then there are a ton of... Oh my gosh. But there's a whole other town. Lightning! And all of their faces got stolen, and we've already recovered 2 of them, but the rest of them are in this pyramid. Ha! There's also a genie and his face got stolen as well. And we'll have to deal with that at some point. Lightning! So, yeah, that's our status right now. That was tough. A little bit.
Do I have permission to play a guitar chord every time I talk?
Maybe every time you're using an attack.
Okay, that's fair.
The Great Pyramid. We're in. Onward! This is so much fun!
So this is the Great Pyramid.
Dark Lord Matt is here somewhere.
Probably.
And lots of monsters with the faces from town, too.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Right then, let's go.
Yeah! My hair's getting messy. Oh. Oh, wow. Glitch!
Scratch, scratch.
Hey. Oh, yeah. And I had to change my, role. Thanks to the Dark Lord. Oh.
Love you all!
Jeez. It's dealing some damage. Here it comes! Huh!
Scratch, scratch.
No, really?
Meow.
Take this! And that killed both of them. Nice.
Let's go.
Good job, Jason. Piece of cake. I learned explosion! I can blow things up now. Bonus XP. Yeah, Jason gets it. More fried cobra, that's nice. Alright. You're energetic, Dolores. And I fell off immediately. Alright. Take this!
Easy.
Explosion! Yeah, that worked.
Oh my gosh.
Explosion's good. No problem! I think I earned that. Oh, if you're wondering, hang on. Asa, if you're wondering how we have so much gold, we did a lot of gambling.
Oh my god.
Which lever do you pull?
Right one. Right, left.
Left. Oh.
Woo!
I said left.
That's
man.
just in time. This is hard on. Wait, that's your line.
Oh, this one is hard on the legs.
Open it. So far, we haven't run into any actual mimics, which is the fear of one. Oh. Well, look at that. I'm very confused about the locations of some of these inns. You know?
You know what? They're just there. Don't worry about it.
Alright, I don't need to build any more of a relationship with anyone right now.
Go into solitary confinement.
I will. Let's see. Oh, wait, no, I do. With Asa. How is Asa's relationship with everyone else? He's building up a level 3 one with Anna right now. Alright. You chill with the horse.
Bond.
Go, bond
Bond
with the horse.
with the horse.
Okay, fried cobra. What do I think of? Well, I'm glad. It's rare. What do you think of normal fried cobra? You don't like it.
What do I think of fried cobra?
Oh, well. I didn't end up giving it to you. We'll have to see next time we get fried cobra. Cheesecake. You love cheesecake.
Let's go.
Let's upgrade even more of your stats. Nice. Alright, well. Let's go to the arcade. Roulette. Woolly claws. That's probably,
Ooh.
yeah,
One.
that's probably yours.
No.
You want to keep going?
Yeah. Wah wah. Whatever. Don't gamble away all of our tickets.
I won't. One more.
That's what you said yes last time.
Well, I'm sorry we didn't get him.
It's fine. Does anyone want to spend gold?
He does. Tube flask. I have a tube flask. It's fine.
It's so silly. Catch up. Aww.
He doesn't need ketchup. He has his tube flask now. Alright, no one else wants to spend gold apparently. Let's do fishing for these two. Alright. Asa.
Yeah. Right this way.
I get it. Trust me.
Alright.
I haven't caught a thing.
Same, same. Shall we call it quits?
Maybe you should use bait next time.
Bah!
Alright. Now I can bond with Asa. Snurp radish? Excuse me. Alright, you've
Snurp.
okay, he's a level 4 relationship. Well, you're in solitary confinement now.
Cool.
Alright.
Luigi!
Let's keep going. Yeah, Luigi. Onward!
Squeaky! The squeaky!
Can't wait for some grub.
Did someone just toot?
No, you be careful.
Asa.
What?
You missed.
Oh, Dolores.
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
It's alright.
I just love Jason's hairdo.
Don't tell that to Jason.
Are we speaking
Oh.
telepathically?
Oh, it's her haircut. Oh no, not another painting.
It's the Mimisa.
The Mona Misa. Glitch! Why one of the side enemies? Okay, that's not that bad. That's also not that bad.
Explosion!
My main goal is to blow up. Explosion! And there go her support.
Wow, this is really something.
That killed you.
Encore!
Be more careful next time.
I can't control my me.
I know, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to
Meow.
Cat's Paw. I can afford to do another explosion. Explosion! Glitch!
Hey!
Too slow. Don't
Wow,
you
this
dare.
is really something.
You get killed again. I can't revive.
My bad.
Ooh.
My fault, OG.
Yikes, that's kind of
Okay.
close.
You're at 1 HP, so I'll move you here.
Thank
You
you.
know what I
2 of
find
33.
silly? You know what I find silly?
What?
A little dance in the sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Snow.
Sleep tight. Sleeping like a baby. He woke up. And you're having a rest.
Hey!
Ouch.
Uh-oh. No,
That
you're
doesn't
gonna
kill
die.
me, does it?
Never mind.
Glitch! I can afford to take at least one more hit now. Anyways. Blow up. Explosion! Having a rest. Glitch! Lightning! Oh, this is gonna go poorly. I forgot HP bananas exists. Look out! Ha! Thanks for that. Ouch. You okay? Jason? Alright, I can probably take you out of the safe spot now.
Thank you.
Glitch! I should probably put myself in there. Actually. I'm not done yet. Too slow.
Nice. Right back into the horse. Yeah.
Full health. First assist. Snuggle up. Oh! Ah, so cozy.
Oh, nice.
Alright,
That was
let me,
cute.
let me take myself out. I'm full health and I have a decent
What
amount
if
of
you
MP.
put me in there?
I can't.
Why not? I'm
'Cause you're
dead.
down. Yeah, that's exactly why.
Oh, but it would make sense.
Explosion! Glitch! Oh boy. Could this be it?
Don't give up.
Thank you! Much appreciated. Oh hey, that healed me up to full. Well, in that case...
Here
Oh,
it comes.
never mind, you took it
Yeah.
out. Good job.
Yes.
Cheers! Sweetie, why is it always you that gets taken out in these battles?
I don't know.
I think we won.
Well, I died, so.
Don't trip me up. Open it.
Open.
550 gold, nice!
More gold! More gold! More!
More gold for the pile.
More!
We'll probably...
Pile!
We probably have more than we'll ever need, but more. Oh? Another chest.
More!
3 game tickets.
Oh, nice.
We can gamble more!
Aww. Not gold.
And an inn. Alright, look at that.
I'm still in solitary confinement.
Yeah. Other people need to form relationships with each other. Alright, check on the team. I have a level 4 relationship with everyone. Alright, everyone
Oh yeah,
has...
the height difference is pretty accurate, huh?
Wow, no. It's closer than that.
Well, a little bit.
Okay, I
Even
like
closer
2-star
to the
butterfly
hat.
honey. What do you think of 2-star butterfly honey? What about you? Pretty standard, alright. What about you? Not that tasty, apparently.
It's the only minor chord I know.
What do you think of the 2-star art cookie?
Yuck.
Looks like I gave it to the wrong person. What do I think of a snurp radish? He's normal on this. I'm trying to give him something he hasn't had before. He's never tried this. He doesn't like it. At all. Spend gold.
Yes! Yes!
Why does no
Yes.
one else want to... Why is he the only one who keeps wanting to buy stuff?
He's a material girl!
Anyways. Macho threads. That's for Asa.
A morsel of XP.
Hey, let's go.
So, do you want to wear this?
Heck yeah, man.
What color?
Let's do blue.
We're not meant to have muscles.
No, they're not. But you know what? It's fine. 'Cause this is me.
Don't put me in a room with him, please. I'm afraid I'm gonna get beat up.
Horsing around. Yay! Time with Dolores! I could stay here forever and ever. Alright. What are you doing, Dolores?
That's what our cat does.
That looks fun. Yeah, that's what Harris does when he's outside.
Oh, don't start doing it. No. Ah.
Huh, my back feels like it's on fire.
That's what you get.
Alright.
Actually, you didn't
Well.
have to do anything.
Here we go. You call those flasks?
A bottle.
Alright. I wonder how many achievements are in Miitopia.
Too many.
Possibly. Oh.
Luigi! No, Luigi! Yes, Luigi.
Let's go down
No,
here first.
Luigi!
Let's go down here first.
Luigi!
Onward! But I think over there is where you go to progress through here.
But Luigi.
Giddy up!
The plan worked. What plan?
Oh no.
Middle, middle,
Left,
middle, middle.
Left.
Have a closer
Left.
look.
Left. Oh. Left. Oh. Left.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
I had to choose one? Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it just
chosen left.
I thought it just circled back around. Dang it.
That's what you get.
That's funny though. No, I'm gonna continue playing. You're not gonna buy more. We barely did anything that last time. No, we're going back in. We're gonna flip every lever.
Are we at the end yet? We just left the end.
Alright.
First one.
Alright. Ow. Left.
Left.
Pull it.
Okay.
Pull it! Pull it!
Pull it. But don't pull the last one.
Okay, we need
Maybe
to
we
pull
should-
all three.
Walk through.
Yeah, this might take a while.
Either that or there's like a specific pattern.
Yeah, he'll get over it. But just the same. I feel the need for intensive training. Blah blah blah. I'm not. Dang it. Anyways, back to the horse. Everyone will have at least a level 4 relationship. Alright, so we need to flip all 3 levers. Got it. If that doesn't work, we're not gonna do anything. Onward.
I'll Google it.
Running keeps you fit.
Ring fit.
Have a closer look. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. What?
1 sec.
No. There are only a certain amount of combinations you can do. We know that the first lever doesn't do anything. Probably.
Yeah.
Wait.
Now we just need to pull the second
No,
lever.
we haven't done. You know what?
We haven't.
We haven't done the first lever by itself, but we also probably shouldn't brute force this for the sake of time. Please Google it.
That's what I'm doing.
No, we should brute force it. We're playing a game here.
You know what? You're right. While she Googles it, we'll brute force it.
Um.
For the heck of it.
The first one, pull it, and then don't pull the rest.
No, don't pull the first one. Pull the last two.
Oh, is that really it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tried.
We tried, and we got everything wrong. We didn't... I don't think we got close. No, we're gonna continue playing. We just... Okay. Last time. Last time. For real this time. I swear to God, if Luigi tells you that that's what you do... Onward! I'm not a happy puppy. Someone got up on the wrong side of the bed. Don't pull it.
Leave that.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
A hidden path opened up.
Let's go.
Now what did that
baby.
do?
Open up a
did it.
hidden path, obviously.
But where's
Look
this
at
hidden
that.
path?
We unlocked
Where's the
Downward.
microphone?
a new microphone.
That's
A new microphone, eh?
Yes.
A new
Fits
microphone.
perfect. It fits perfectly with your current outfit as well.
Huh.
Perfect. All right. All right. Thank you. Oh. Treasure. That's all it was. It wasn't like anything we need. Onward.
Hooray! We got treasure.
Money.
So ready for this?
Open. 1,500. Do we need that though?
Yes.
Yeah. We need as much gold as we can possibly get.
That's like a fraction of the money we already have.
More. Open it.
Gambling.
Yay, gambling!
Wait.
But
Anna!
Did you fall in a hole?
Are you okay?
I'm fine. You guys go on ahead without me.
We all just agree. We'll meet you at the end.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. No more fighting.
Keep it together. No one was fighting.
There are mimics! There are mimics! I was right!
There's just stuff in
No,
the
no, no, no,
chest.
no. That was a mimic. You can't tell me otherwise. That's the spot.
No, a mimic is a creature that is an item.
It's still a monster that was in a chest. That was...
No.
The-
No, that's not a mimic. A mimic is a creature that can shapeshift into an item, and once touched, it shall
no.
kill you.
You just...
Yes.
You killed it with your bare hands. You okay?
I know. I'm just so strong.
Jason.
Don't you see his
Take this!
deformed muscles?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. I got my microphone back. It's all sticky.
Good job, Jason. Wow! Dolores.
I'm in a hole.
Let's fuck him up.
Whoa, whoa.
How about that?
Still out there, bucko.
I'll feel that in the morning. Well, I would give it to you, but you're not here.
I'm in a hole.
For
I'm in a
killing
hole.
bare hands.
Hope everyone's doing okay. I don't feel so good. Okay, but should we open this one?
Open it. Open it. Open,
Open
it.
it. It's a lot.
I think we already have that. Never mind. I prefer this. Well, it was close. And there's the inn. You're back.
There I am. I'm out of a hole.
Alright. Well, let's spend some gold. He finally
Can,
wants...
can I have weapon?
Yes. But he's finally buying new clothes.
You get cloth.
It looks like he's wearing a trench coat, so I'm gonna go with orange. He's just a scientist in a trench coat. Woolly
Yes.
claws!
I would like to wear that. Equip.
Alright. Well. Huh.
I still find it funny that you can be a cat as a career option.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll save, these for next time, then. That's about it for today,
But
guys.
Luigi!
Next time.
Where'd he go?
Wait, where did he go?
You know what? Luigi probably told us the pattern.
Yeah, that would make sense. Alright, well, that's about it for today, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye!